Our natural resources are like our bread and butter. We couldn't live without them. In this new lesson, we will be talking about natural resources focusing on the Americas. In this lesson, we will be able to examine the resources available in North and South America and how they support the economic development, and analyze the impact of human activities on natural resources. These are the terms we will be using in this lesson. I am pretty sure you are familiar with most of them, but you can also refer to your dictionary to refresh your memory of the meanings and definitions. We have prairies, diverse, precipitation, and ecosystem. Let us take a quick look at the map of this continent. Can you tell me what could be the various economic activities people can get based on its features? Good insight. A lot can be done in a continent which has an abundance of almost all natural resources because of the many natural features that they have, ranging from rivers, lakes, mountains, and rainforests. North America is surrounded with many water bodies. Can you name them with its direction? Well done. On the north is the Arctic Ocean, which freezes throughout the year. On the east is the Atlantic. On the west is the Pacific, and on the south is the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. Aside from these, we can also find the biggest river in the North America, the Missouri Mississippi River, wherein people can do different activities, which promotes the tourist industry. People come for hunting, fishing, boating, and other types of outdoor recreation. Aside from these water bodies, we can also find the Appalachian Mountains, which stretches from the Canada to Alabama. In the west is the Rocky Mountains from Canada to Mexico. Prairies are enormous stretches of flat grassland with moderate temperatures, moderate rainfall, and few trees. The Great Plains in the United States and Canada has some of the world's most valuable prairies, which grow some of the world's most important crops. The North American prairie is ideal for agriculture. In fact, of the 2 million acres of North American prairie, less than 1% is used for agricultural development. The prairie grassland is perfect for growing grain like wheat, rye, and oats. Because of the high demand of these agricultural products like wheat and grains, what do you think happened to the plains in North America? Exactly. People misused the resources and did extensive farming, which destroyed nearly all of North American prairie grasslands. The Great Plains were called the Dust Bowl during the Great Depression period. Farmers also harvest oranges, sugarcane, coffee, cocoa, dairy products, corn, and wheat. Forestry is another major economic activity for much of North America. Lumber is exported around the world to be used for construction. There is also an economic activity that UAE has in common with North America. That's coal, oil, and natural gas extraction, which makes US, Canada, Mexico among the world's top oil producers. South America has many natural resources, including minerals that are mined. On your screen, can you tell me what are the examples of minerals mined in South America? Well done. There are plenty, like gold, iron ore, and others. In this continent, Brazil has an ideal area for agriculture, which allows them to export coffee, sugar, soybeans, and many others. in the map. Can you tell me which areas are suitable for agriculture? Great job. The ones in orange, some of which are Buenos Aires, Argentina, and Paraguay. Aside from agricultural areas, South America also has desert, the Atacama Desert, a strip of land which is completely barren. This is the driest land on Earth because it is blocked from moisture. They also have mountain ranges. Example is the Andes Mountain, which are the longest chains of mountains above sea level. The highlight of this continent, as you would all know, is the forest land. The Amazon rainforest is home to the world's richest and most varied biological reservoir, containing several million of species of insects, plants, birds, and other forms of life, many still unrecorded by science. The sad part is that the farmers in the area are constantly moving and clearing land by cutting down trees to grow their crops, which has led to extensive deforestation. Now, what have we learned today? We learned that North America is abundant in most natural features the Earth could offer. These range from mountains, rainforests, plains, seas, and prairies, which are suitable for agriculture. Aside from agriculture, it is also abundant in oil, coal, and natural gas. South America is also rich in minerals, which people mine as an industry. Agriculture and livestock is also a part of its industry. It is where we can find the largest rainforest in the world, which faces great threat of deforestation to make room for farming and other economic activities. Now that we have come to the end of our lesson, please complete and submit the tasks posted in your Google Classroom.